You say you take the bull by the horns and you just ride it. And that's exactly what we've been doing along this journey with gene therapy.
A potential medical breakthrough for children living with sickle cell disease is unfolding in Tennessee. Doctors are turning to gene therapy as a potential cure for that blood disease. 10 News Nashville reporter Sam Perez spoke to a 13-year-old boy who could help change the lives of thousands of patients like him.
Growing up with sickle cell, it's like this constant heavy burden that's on you all of the time.
A burden that Rickey Buggs has carried for 13 years.
Getting that information was almost as if somebody knocking the wind out of you.
Since Rickey was 8 weeks old, his mom, Lamitra Scott, watched him struggle.
You're always getting held back from something that you want to do. You're always getting held back from constant pain.
As a mom, you will go to the ends of the earth to do whatever it is necessary to ensure that your child is okay.
In this case, it meant connecting with Dr. Haydar Frangul at Centennial Children's Hospital. As director of the pediatric transplant program, he's been working with kids who have sickle cell disease for nearly 30 years.
Individuals with sickle cell disease suffer from recurrent pain crisis. They can have strokes. They can have damage to their lung, kidneys, and bones.
It's why Dr. Frangul helped develop a clinical trial in 2019 for gene editing therapy to treat the disease. At the end of June, the FDA officially approved the treatment for patients over 2 years old. Rickey is now the first commercial patient to receive this new treatment at the hospital.
I took that leap of faith and tried it, and we got a very successful treatment.
This foot all the way down to this next one.
After a 42-day hospital stay with blood transfusions and testing, Rickey is now home with a new lease on life.
I'm finally not dragging this heavy burden around with me, and I'm finally not having to worry about, am I going to be in pain?
Making that heavy burden a whole lot lighter. In Nashville, I'm Sam Perez.
What a moment for him. Some Krispy Kremes as well. Right now, a bone marrow transplant is the only way to cure the disease, but you know, finding a donor is difficult. This treatment uses cells from the patient, so no need for a match or risk of rejection. The lead doctor is confident this is the path to a cure, but long-term studies will prove it.